Hey, this is guitar coach Mike Papapavlou and Guitar World Magazine's guitar teacher of 2020. I want to welcome you to the second part of the Fretboard Mastery series. In the first part, I shared that, in my opinion, the most important scale that a guitar should know is the minor pentatonic scale and its 5 positions. That's how I first got an understanding of the fretboard. And I mentioned a few things about position 1, 4, and 2. So you can go back and watch that if you like. And then I wrapped up the first part with sharing my best tip on how to actually practice the scale, which is throwing on a backing track and playing the scale in rhythm. So you can start in quarter notes, and then you can do eighth notes if quarter notes are too slow, and you can actually shift between quarters and eighths. So if you want, you can just go back and watch part 1. Okay? So today I want to talk about connecting all the positions of the minor pentatonic and kind of like really seeing how similar they are. All right? So we're going to use A minor as an example. So everyone knows position 1 of the minor pentatonic. That's the 1 4 1 3 1 3 1 3 1 4 1 4, right? So which position makes most sense to learn or to master after position 1? Well, I would say it's 4. Why? Because when I was learning these scales, before I even knew that this was position 4, I thought it was position 1 on the 5th string. So I learned it before I learned how to do. I actually learned it on the 5th string, starting on the root note. So on the A, we're in A minor. So wow, 1 4 1 3 1 3. That's the same as 1 4 1. So it literally is the same scale, and it looks exactly the same outlined. 1 1 4 1 3 1 3. Here instead of doing another 1 3, we have to do 2 4 because of the B string, and then we go 1 4. So it literally is the same fingering, just looked a little differently. And then similarly, position 2 is the third most the third position that makes most sense to master, because it is really similar to it. If you think of the root starting on the D string, so it starts 1 4 1 3 2 4. Because of the B string, it's a little different. But if you look at these 3 shapes, position 1, 4, and 2, and you start them from the root, you just see just how similar they actually are, right? And then let me talk about position 3 and 5, okay? So 1, 4, and 2 have this thing in common, which is that they are positions that go from left to right. So if you think of the root note, right, in A, so here is our left wall. The root note is on the left wall. So every scale has a left wall and a right wall. So left, right, left, right, left, left. You get that. So also 4, position 4 starts, the root note is also on the left wall. So left, right, left, right, left, right. Same with position 2. Now position 5, let's do position 5 first. Start it here. So now the root note A is on the right wall. So we go, if we start on the flat 7, so it's not the same as 1 4 and 2. It doesn't look the same. It's 2 4 2 4 1 4 1 4 2 4 2 4. Okay, and then similarly position 3, the root note also starts on the right wall. And then here we've got 2 4 2 4 2 4 1 4 2 5 2 3. Excuse me, 2 4. And so check it out. Position 3 is really so much like position 5 if we start it from the root note, right? Okay, so what do I want you to do with this information? So I want you to pick a minor pentatonic key, find a backing track in the same key, and I want you to practice the 5 positions in rhythm. You can start in quarter notes or eighth notes if quarter notes are too slow. And I want you to go up and down the scale, but I also want you to practice all 5 positions from the root notes as well, right? So in other words, you can start position 5 on the flat 7 and go. But I want you to also know where the root note is and start there. Okay? So same story with every other position. All right? So if you have any questions, please ask away. And if you got any value from this, please like this video. And if you'd like to subscribe, it would be amazing to have you on this journey. And also, if you feel like this is exactly what you need to take your guitar playing to new heights, feel free to go to guitarguideguru.com and we can discuss about potentially working together one-on-one, and we can have a complimentary consultation on Zoom. All right?